What's up, guys? We just finished some pre-demo work on this house that we're tearing down soon. We're gonna make it into 2 beautiful new homes, and we had a little fun with it, right? So this is the last daily dose of the year, and we wanted to show the different things that we were gonna break through, not tolerate, and destroy in 2020, right? So things like negativity, pessimism, whining, complaining, doubt, all of that, right? So we had fun smashing that as we smashed up this house. And look, no matter where you are in your life, your business, your career, I want you to have that same kind of success. I want you to have the confidence to smash through things that have held you back previously, right? Held you back before, because what happened in the past doesn't define your future, doesn't define who you are. So remember that, follow along, check out the video we did at this house. It's really cool, and smash through your limiting beliefs in 2020.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, hit that like button, leave us some comments. We want to know your feedback, and share this with someone that you think could benefit as well. And if you want to see more great videos, click this playlist up here, or better yet, click right here to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our updates.